My dear students, in this class, let us learn about the significance of water. Water is called elixir of life. Water is called ambrosia of life. Without water, life is impossible. The very sustenance of life depends on the availability of water. And you remember as a thumb rule, water is the ultimate cause of death of all organisms. Too much of water kills the animal, and too little water also causes death of an organism. So all organisms on the planet Earth should maintain water balance. And this maintenance of water balance is called osmoregulation. Water acts as a solvent. Water facilitates the excretion of various waste products. Water acts as a medium for various biochemical activities. Water is responsible for the maintenance of minerals within the body. So, like that, water performs diversified functions. So, let us see what is that range or array of activities of water within our body. Water is called universal solvent. Water is the medium for metabolic activities. It regulates osmotic pressure. It is essential to maintain mineral levels. Electrolyte balance is also achieved by water. Water facilitates the excretion of waste products. Water regulates body temperature. This is true because excess water will be eliminated by body through sweat pores, through sweat glands. The process of sweating is a thermoregulatory activity because sweating regains body temperature to the normal level by evaporative cooling. Water acts as a lubricant. For example, the water that is present in the tears, it lubricates the eyeballs. It makes the eyeballs moist. And water is also useful for the transport of various chemicals within the body. It facilitates nutrition because without water, digestion doesn't occur. We know pretty well that the process of digestion is nothing but hydrolysis. Water is called elixir of life. Water is the ultimate cause of death. And water is the agent that keeps the skin tight. Because of this, dehydration results in the process of aging. Dehydration results in the wrinkles on the skin. Our body contains more than 70% of water. Water balance is achieved by sweat glands and kidneys. And the water balance is called osmoregulation. And even hormones play a crucial role in osmoregulation. For example, if you take ADH, antidiuretic hormone, this is essential for reabsorption of water content during urine formation. So, like that, hormones also play a crucial role in the water balance. And the water that is formed in biochemical activities within the body is called metabolic water. Some animals they depend only on metabolic water. They don't take water from external source. For example, if we take cockroach, which is an insect, and kangaroo rat, which is a mammal, they never drink water in their lifetimes because they simply depend on the metabolic water, and the metabolic water that is formed in these animals, the metabolic water that is formed in these animals is sufficient for their day-to-day activities. Whereas for human being and for majority of the animals, this metabolic water doesn't suffice. As a result, they depend on external source of water. And some animals they get lion's share of water from the food. For example, if you take camel it feeds on xerophyte, especially succulent plants which store water. So by eating the succulent plant product, the water needs of camel will be met. And water is formed due to oxidation of foodstuffs, of course, and excess accumulation of water in the tissues leads to edema, and excess loss of water leads to dehydration. So this is about the significance of water in our body. Thank you very much.